Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll discuss what radar is, how it operates, and how it helps mariners navigate safely and prevent collision. Radar, which stands for radio detection and ranging, is an essential tool installed on ships to provide a top-down view of the surrounding area. It assists in detecting other ships, small boats, buoys, obstacles, and coastlines, even in challenging visibility conditions such as fog, heavy rain, or darkness. A marine radar system is made up of three primary components: the transceiver, responsible for sending and receiving signals, the scanner or aerial, which emits radar signals, the display unit, which presents the processed information. The transceiver emits short bursts of electromagnetic waves at rapid intervals. When these signals encounter an object, they reflect back as echoes, which are then processed and displayed on the screen as bright marks called blips. The circular area on the radar screen is called the Plan Position Indicator (PPI). The distance from the center of the edge of the screen represents the range scale, which can be adjusted based on user's need. Radar measures the distance of an object using two methods: radar range rings. These are overlaid rings, each representing a specific range. Mariners estimate an object's distance by its position relative to these rings. Variable range marker, a digital feature that allows the user to adjust a circle over a target. The system then calculates and shows the precise distance. To determine the bearing of an object, the radar scanner continuously rotates in a clockwise direction. The system synchronizes with a moving line on the display. When an object is detected, its bearing is measured as angle between the ship's heading marker and the target. There are two ways to measure bearing: mechanical cursor and electronic bearing marker, a fixed degree scale around the PPI that allows mariner to manually determine an object's bearing. Then EBL, it is a digital tool that moves a radial line across the screen, displaying the bearing numerically for precise measurements. If the radar display is gyro stabilized, the heading marker aligns with the true north. Bearing measured in this mode are called gyro bearings, providing accurate directional data for navigation.